I work in Governor DeWine's communications office, and I'm a press assistant. A moment in this career that's made me feel proud is just the day that I started. I, as a student with a learning disability, didn't know what was my path. I didn't even know if I was going to go to college. I was told for a while that it might not be in my path, and then I got into Miami, and Miami fought for me as a student with a learning disability. I have dyslexia, which is a learning disability that sometimes makes reading and writing a challenge. And when I went to college, I didn't know if that would affect me and how that would affect my classes. But I went to the admissions department. They got me in touch with the department that would help me get all of the access and resource that I need. One of the greatest things about Miami is all the different clubs and opportunities that you have. I was in a club called Miami Television News, and MTN was an amazing experience. It gave me hands-on camera experience, editing. I was an anchor, I was a reporter, I was an editor, I got leadership experience, and that just all compiled into what I love to do today, working with the media. Internships-wise, I had a lot of amazing connections through the Ohio State Fair. I was a PR and communications intern there, where I was working with NBC4 as an intern, so I helped plan their day at the fair. And then after that, of course, the internship here in Governor DeWine's communications office gave me a really great idea of what the office was like and what I might want to do in the future. And when there was an opportunity for me to apply for a full-time position, I knew I understood the role and the staff, and I felt like I'd be a great fit there. I went into Miami just knowing that I love to make content, I love to write, I love to create, and that's something that I really wanted to focus on. They fought for me for my advocacy, they taught me how to fight for myself, and now I'm a full-time employee, and I have an amazing job with some amazing opportunities to work with people across the state, which is a dream come true. I couldn't ask for anything better.